If you've been seeing huge discounts and emotional retirement sale ads from Mary's Myrtle Beach Boutique, you may be wondering whether this store is offering a genuine, once-in-a-lifetime opportunity or whether there are warning signs that deserve a closer look. In this review, we examine the available information to help you make a more informed buying decision before spending your money. Mary's Myrtle Beach Boutique presents itself as a long-established South Carolina fashion boutique operated by a woman who is supposedly retiring after decades in business. But one of the first concerns is that the website's domain appears to have been registered much more recently than you might expect from a business claiming such a long history. Another point that raises questions is the repeated use of emotional retirement sale messaging combined with massive discounts that create pressure to purchase quickly before the sale supposedly ends. Several product images also appear to be heavily edited or AI-generated rather than authentic photos of real inventory, making it difficult to verify exactly what customers will receive. Some online shoppers have also reported receiving clothing that differs from the advertised quality, with indications that products may be sourced from overseas suppliers instead of a local American boutique. Customer feedback across the internet is mixed, with some reviewers expressing satisfaction while others report delayed shipping, difficulty contacting customer support, refund issues, and expensive return shipping requirements. Another concern is the lack of strong evidence confirming the existence of a genuine, physical boutique matching the brand's marketing story, leading some buyers to question whether the branding is designed primarily to create trust. None of these factors alone prove that every order will end badly, but together they are important warning signs that should not be ignored. The safest approach is to research carefully, read independent customer experiences, review the return policy in detail, and use a payment method that offers buyer protection before placing an order. Based on the available information, Mary's Myrtle Beach Boutique deserves careful consideration rather than blind trust, and shoppers should proceed with realistic expectations.